that in Numberland, factors were the friends of numbers. So one day, 10 was out with his friends or his different factors. And then suddenly, one of his factors or friends asked him, "Who is your best friend?" 10 thought for a while and then said that obviously the largest factor or the highest factor which I have is my friend, which is 10 itself. So 10 is the highest factor of 10. So 10 is the best friend of itself. While they were walking, they saw 15 going out with his factors or friends. Once again, 2 asked 10, "Who is the best friend which is common to you and 15?" That is, who is the best friend that is common to 10 and 15? And 10 started thinking, who will be the best friend that is common to both me and 15? That is a friend which is a friend of 10 as well as 15 and is their best friend. And then an idea came to 10. He said that the highest number that is common to both our lists of friends, which are nothing but the factors, shall be our highest common friend or the factor. That is the highest common factor, which is also called the HCF. What do we mean by this? Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are all the factors of 10. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now what are the common factors of 10 and 15? 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 are the common factors of 10 and 15. So these are the common friends of 10 and 15. Now which is the best among these common friends? The one which is the highest. That is 5. So 5 is the highest common factor of 10 and 15. We also call it the HCF. So highest common factor, HCF. 5 is the highest common factor. That is, the common factors are 1 and 5. Now in between 1 and 5, which is greater? 5. So 5 is the highest common factor. So first find the common factors and then find the highest common factor. In short, it is called HCF. Now 5 was very happy and excited because he was the highest common factor or HCF of 10 and 15. So see 5 dancing here so happily. So now what is HCF? HCF or highest common factor is the greatest factor that two numbers have in common with each other. Now what about prime numbers? Knowing about HCF, all the prime numbers were very sad. They were thinking, what is the HCF of two prime numbers? Because they do not have any common factor other than 1. So 1 is the only common factor. If I take any two prime numbers, 1 will be the only common factor. So 1 said, don't worry, I am the best friend forever to every prime. So if I have two prime numbers, 1 is the HCF of any two prime numbers. In fact, not just 2, if we consider 3, 4, any number of prime numbers, 1 will be the HCF of those numbers. So now prime numbers were really happy. Now you must be thinking, why are we talking about the highest common factor? Why not the lowest common factor? We can also talk about lowest common factor, but we don't do that. Why? Let us find the lowest common factor of 10 and 15. So once again, these are all the factors of 10. These are all the factors of 15. The common factors of 10 and 15 are 1 and 5. And what is the lowest among these? 1. So 1 is the lowest common factor of 10 and 15. Now take two other numbers and find their common factors and find their lowest common factor. You will see that it is always 1. The lowest common factor of any two numbers is always 1. Why? Because 1 is the lowest factor of all the numbers. 1 is the common factor of any two pair of numbers. So 1 will be the lowest common factor of any two pair of numbers. So lowest common factor of any two numbers is 1. So we already know it and there is no need to find it in every case. What we don't know is the highest common factor of two numbers. So that is why we learn what is the highest common factor and how to find the highest common factor of two numbers. This concept is very important concept in mathematics. So what is the HCF or highest common factor? So if you have two numbers, you need to find their common factors and the highest or the greatest number among those common factors is called the highest common factors of those two numbers. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.